From victim to victor, mastering the art of radical ownership. If you didn't play any role in the problem, what makes you think you can play any role in the solution? What is victim mentality? Definition: a mindset where one feels powerless, blames external circumstances for their challenges, and avoids responsibility for their actions or outcomes. Common traits: life feels like it's happening to you, not by you. It's their fault becomes the go-to narrative. Dependency on others for validation and solutions. How it starts: a childhood tale flashback to childhood. Remember falling and scraping your knee as a child? A parent or caregiver likely rushed to comfort you. Complaining as a kid: I'm hungry, and voila, food appeared. Emotional takeaway: we learned that complaining and victimhood often brought care and attention. We grow up, but those patterns stick, even when they no longer serve us. What are temporary benefits of victim mentality? A lack of responsibility. No need to self-reflect or take accountability. Attention. People might rally around to comfort or assist you. And no need for action. It's easier to complain than to take risks or face challenges. Reality check. These benefits are short-lived and keep you stuck. The hidden costs of a victim mindset: stunted growth. Lack of accountability prevents personal development. Strained relationships. Constant blaming and negativity wear others down. Missed opportunities. Fear and inaction block chances to thrive. Mental health impact. It fosters anxiety, resentment, and helplessness. Reframing the victim experience. From surviving to thriving. Step 1. Acknowledge. Recognize when you're slipping into the victim mentality. Ask, am I blaming others for something I can control? Step 2. Take responsibility. Shift focus from, why is this happening to me, to, what can I do about it? Step 3. Flip the script. Use past challenges as fuel for growth. Ask, how can this experience make me stronger or more compassionate? Key strategies to break free. Shift your inner dialogue. Replace, this always happens to me, with, how can I handle this differently next time? Set goals and take action. Even small steps create momentum. Focus on solutions, not problems. Practice gratitude. Acknowledge the positives in your life. It rewires your brain for resilience. Seek feedback and reflect. Honest feedback helps you identify blind spots and grow. Surround yourself with empowering people. Choose friends and mentors who encourage accountability, not excuses. Victim mentality versus victim empowerment. Mindset of resilience. Challenges are part of life. What matters is how we respond. Every setback is an opportunity to rise stronger. Inspirational thought. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. Tony Robbins. Practical tools for the journey. The power of ownership. Taking ownership doesn't mean blaming yourself. Focus on what's in your control. Intentions, actions, reactions. Focus on progress, not perfection. The good exercise. Navy SEAL. Jocko Willink's mantra. When something goes wrong, say good. Failed? Good. Time to learn. Hurt? Good. Time to reflect. Beyond being grateful for the good, find gratitude in the challenges. Anxiety teaches resilience. Loss highlights love. Failure builds wisdom. German philosopher Nietzsche's "Love your fate" statement teaches us that greatness comes from embracing your life fully. The inner critic. Would you let someone speak to your best friend the way your inner voice speaks to you? Practice reframing self-talk. From, I'm such a failure. I'm learning and growing. You are not powerless. Take ownership, embrace the challenge, and create a life of meaning. Instead of being a victim, ask yourself, how can you use your challenges to enhance your life, starting today? Life is a mystery full of beauty, chaos, and growth. It's not what happens to you, it's what you do about it. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.